Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, what we discussed, and you did a FA1, right? In FA1, no one get a good marks. Everyone are getting only 3, 4, 3, 4, only that much. Why? Is it the way to write that exam like that? No, you didn't study it at all. No one did properly. Everyone got less marks here. So really I feel bad whether I am not teaching well and whether you are not studying well. I am not getting anything here. So please be serious about your studies. See your FI marks. Very bad. Getting only 3 or 4 marks is the way. Even you didn't get a passing marks. Everyone have failed. You don't know how to write that exam. What is there in that? Up to 2.1 I had given, right? Up to 2.1. That too only 6th main. Only one chapter. You can't read one chapter. How? If you are not able to read a one chapter, then how you will read all the chapters in the next exams? Seriously, I at least some people will do well, I thought, but no one did well here. Everyone got a less marks. So if you are continuing like this means you will not get a success in your life. Okay, definitely. You are not doing at all work means then how you will get a success in your life? Only reading, only 1 hour. You don't have 1 hour to read this one in 24 hours. Only 1 hour you have to read. That's enough. But you are not doing. Even you are not seeing a proper videos also. Whatever the I taught in video, that only I given that FA1 examination, right? So no one did properly means you are not seeing the videos. It understood. I don't know what you are doing and what you are thinking. Don't think like that. It will affect to your 8th standard also. Please be keep it in your mind. Okay. So if you are neglecting this 7th standard syllabus, then it is affect to the 8th standard also. Then what we will do in 8th standard? Simply like this only. You will fail again in that exam also. Then go to 6th standard only. Again from 6th standard you have to learn. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th like that. Waste your 2 or 3 years time. Don't you have a common sense here? Leave. It's a waste of telling you. So up to 6th main we completed. So today we will start with the 7th main. That is evaluate 1 by 5 of 7th main 2.1 7th main. In that first question, that is 1 by 5 of 1 by 5 of 8th one 5 integer 5 by 6 and bth one 3 integer 1 by 4. So first do for the A problem, that is 1 by 5 of 5 integer 5 by 6. First convert here. Half means multiplication. Half means multiplication. Next 5 integer 5 by 6 they given here. First convert into a improper fraction, that is 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 5 is 35 by 6. Now 30, so 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So what is the answer? 7 by 6. 7 by 6 is the answer. Like this we have to do here. Okay. Next one, B1. 1 by 5 of 3 integer 1 by 4. Convert this 1 by 5 of means into and convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction, that is 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 4. Whether cancellation is holds? No. There is no cancellation. Just multiply the number and write. Here 13 ones are 13. 5 into 4 is 20. So this one is the answer. Getting? Next one. Go for the next question. Second one. 5 by 8 of 9 integer 2 by 5. 3 integer 8 by 10. Okay. So here first do the 8th one. 5 by 8 of 9 integer 2 by 5, that is equal to 5 by 8 of means multiplication. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 2 is 47 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So what left here? 47 by 8. Okay. Keep like this, or else if you want to write it in a mixed fraction, that is also correct and this is also correct. If you want to write it in a mixed fraction, then you can write the mixed fraction answer. Okay. So next big one is 5 by 8 of 3 integer 8 by 10. 5 by 8 multiplication. 10 threes are 20. Sorry, 30. 30 plus 8 is 38 by 10. Okay. So here 5 ones are 5 twos are. Next 2 ones are 2 19s are. What left here? 19 by 8. 19 by 8 is the answer. If you want to write it in a mixed fraction and do the division and write it in a mixed fraction. This is also correct and that is also correct. If you want to write that type, then write. It is also correct. Okay. So next one, we go for the third question. One by 3 of 8 1. 2 integer 2 by 5. 7 integer 1 by 8. Okay. So here 1 by 3 of 8 1. Of means into 2 integer 2 by 5. That is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into 5 to the 10. 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So what left here? 4 by 5 is the answer. 4 by 5 is the answer. Next big one. 1 by 3 of 7 integer 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 1 is 57 by 8. Whether cancellation holds? 3 ones are 2 left, 3 nines are, that is 19 by 8. 19 by 8 is the answer. 19 by 8 is the answer. If you want to convert it in a mixed fraction, then you can convert, otherwise keep like this only. Getting? Okay. Now go for the fourth one. Seventh main, last problem. Seventh main, last problem. 2 by 7 of 8 1, 4 integer 1 by 12, big one, 5 integer 3 by 5. Okay. So here 2 by 7 of 4 integer 1 by 12 and 5 integer 3 by 5. First one do for the 8th question, that is 2 by 7 of 4 integer 1 by 12. That is 2 by 7 of means multiplication. Convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. That is 12 fours are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49 by 12. 2 ones are 2 six are. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. So what left here? 7 by 6 is the answer. 7 by 6 is the answer. Now go for the B one, that is 2 by 7 of 5 integer 3 by 5, that is 2 by 7 multiplication, 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 3 is 28 by 5, 7 1 ja, 7 4 ja, 4 8 ja, sorry 4 2 ja 8, next divided by 5. 8 by 5 is the answer. 8 by 5 is the answer. Getting? Okay. So next we'll go for the 8th question. What is the 8th one they given here? The water storage tank of a house has a capacity of 500 liters and 1 by 5th of the water is consumed for a kitchen and 2 by 5th of the water is used for the bathing and washing clothes and the remaining water is used for the watering plants in the garden. Okay. So here how much water, first question, how much water is used for a kitchen they are asking. Okay, before that whatever they given first you have to write here. Okay, the water storage tank of a house has capacity of 500 liters. Okay, what is the capacity of that water storage tank? Here 500 liter, right here. Capacity of water storage tank is equal to 500 liters. Okay, so capacity of a water storage tank is a 500 liter and now 1 by 5th of the water is consumed for the kitchen. Okay, so for kitchen is equal to 1 by 5th of 500 liter. Next for bathing and washing clothes. For bathing and washing clothes, how much it is? 1 by 5th of, sorry, not 1 by 5th, this is a 2 by 5th. 2 by 5 of a 500 liter. Next, for gardening. For gardening, how much it is? Remaining. Okay, remaining means we have to add these two and subtract from 500 liter, you will get a for gardening water. Okay, so that is, I'll write here once again. So for gardening we have to find, right, that is for gardening is equal to how much it is? 500 liter minus 1 by 5 of 500 liter plus 2 by 5 of 500 liter. Okay, that is here only I will do the sum. This is equal to 100 liter. Here 2 by 5 into 500 means it is 200 liter. This is 200 liter, this is a 100 liter. Okay, so that is nothing but a 500 minus here 100 plus 200. Okay, so 500 minus 300. So that is equal to 200 liter. So for gardening, how much they used here? 200 liter. For gardening, they used 200 liter. Okay. So next one is first one answer. What they asked the first one question here? That is how much water is used for a kitchen? How much for kitchen? How much we used? 100 liter. So first one, right? For kitchen, 100 liter water is used. Okay. Second one. Next question, what they asked? How much water is used for bathing and washing clothes? For bathing and washing clothes, how much we used? 200 liter. Okay. For bathing and washing cloths, 200 liter water is used. Okay. Third one is what fraction of a total quantity of water is used for the watering in the garden? Gardening or watering a gardening, that is 200 liter used for watering a garden. Right here also watering, for watering a garden. Okay. So we written every answer. First one is a 100 liter. Second one is a how much? That is 200 liter. And third one is a 200 liter. That is the answer. 200 liter used for a watering a garden. Getting? So we completed 8th question also. Now we have to solve, that is a 9th question. I hope everyone understood this question. This is a total storage and they given this one and this one, 1 by 5 of that and 1 2 by 5 of that multiplication, and we concluded that answer. And after that, for watering the garden, you have to subtract these two values, add these two values and subtract from the total storage of a tank. Then you will get the, for watering garden, how much water they used here. That is a 200 liter. Okay, so we finished 8th question. Now you are going to solve the 9th question. That is, the side of a regular decagon is 5 integer 3 by 5 centimeter. Find its a perimeter. Okay, so decagon means how many sides are having here? The decagon. Decagon means how many sides are there? Here 10 sides are there. Deca means 10 here. Okay. So what is the perimeter of that? So now we are going to solve the 9th question, that is the side of a regular decagon. Decagon means 10 sides. Okay. So the perimeter of, and what is the side of decagon they given here? Okay, that is length of one side. Length of one side, that is equal to how much? 5 integer 3 by 5 centimeter. 5 integer 3 by 5 centimeter. Okay. So length of a decagon, length of one side is a 5 integer 3 by 5 centimeter. Right. So here perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of decagon, that is equal to 10 into 10 A. A means it is a side. One of the side. A is nothing but one of the side. Decagon means. Okay. So this one side is considered as the A. And what is the perimeter of a decagon here? Perimeter of a decagon is 10A. 10A means 10 into one side. What is the side here? That is 10 into A is 5 into 3 by 5. Right? So 5 5 is how much? 25. 25 plus 3 is 28 by 5. That is 5 1 5 2 28 2 how much? 28 2 56. Right? So 56. What is the perimeter of decagon here? The perimeter of decagon is 56 centimeter, because a decagon has a 10 sides and one side length they given here. The length of the one side, that is considered as the A. Okay. So that is 5 integer 3 by 5 centimeter. And next one, perimeter of a decagon. What is the perimeter of a decagon? That is a 10 into A. So that is 10 into, what is the A value here? That is 5 integer improper fraction, that is 5 further 25, 25 plus 3 is 28, 28 by 5, 5 ones are 5 twos are, so 22 twos are how much, that is 56 centimeter here. So this is the answer, perimeter of a decagon is 56 centimeter. Got? So we completed 2.1 and next one is the multiplication of a fraction by fraction is there, that is same thing, that of function we used, no, like that only we have to do, and after that comparison of a value of a product and with the individual fractions, product of a two proper fraction and a product of a two improper fraction, when one is a proper and improper, all those things we'll study in the 2.2 only. Okay, don't worry about that. While solving the 2.2 I'll explain everything here. Okay, so now start with the, that is a exercise number 2.2 only. Okay, so that is 2.2. First I'll solve first main, we'll see. So 2.1 completed. Now go for the 2.2. 2.2, in that first main the given, first one 1 by 2 of 8 1 is a 22 by 25, big one 5 by 7. Okay, so this is first one, 1 by 2 of 8 1, 22 by 25 means that is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 25. Cancel the values, 2 ones are, 2 11s are. What answer left here? 11 by 25, right? So 11 by 25 is the answer, 11 by 25. Next big one. So 1 by 2 of 5 by 7. That is 1 by 2 into 5 by 7. Here 5, 7 twos are 14. So 5 by 14 is the answer. Here 11 by 25 is the answer and here 5 by 14 is the answer. Okay. Next go for the second question. Second main, that is 1 by 7 of 8 1 21 by 24, big one 28 by 35. Okay, so that is 1 by 7 into 21 by 24, 8 1 this is. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. Okay, again 3 ones are, 3 eights are. So what answer left here? 1 by 8. Okay, next big one, 1 by 7 of 28 by 35 means here 7 ones are, 7 fours are. So what answer left? 4 by 35. 4 by 35 is the answer. 4 by 35 and here 1 by 8 is the answer. Okay, so of function is there, we have to use the multiplication symbol, and wherever is a cancellation is there, then we have to cancel the values, and after that what numbers left, no, that numbers you have to multiply and write the answer. That is the answer, final answer. Okay, so here also we did cancellation same, and here also only two cancellation is there, this one and this one, and here double cancellation is there. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. After that again 3 ones are, 3 eights are. We can cancel. We can cancel this crosswise and this numerator to denominator. We can't cancel this numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. We can't cancel like that. This is a wrong method. This is a correct method. Wrong cancellation, cross cancellation, that is cross cancellation and numerator to denominator cancellation will happen, but never be a, that is denominator to denominator and numerator to numerator. We can't divide a numerator to numerator value. Okay, so that is the thing here. So first main completed 2.2 and 2.2 main, that is do as a homework. 2.2 second main, do as a homework. Again I will do in the next class also, but you have to do, try it yourself, and after that up to whatever the mains I solved in this video, that you have to solve in a HW once again, and you complete your CW also as the same process. Okay, so whenever you are writing in HW, after that you have to write it in a CW also. You have to maintain both, balance the both CW and HW. Okay, don't write only in CW and don't write only in HW. You have to write it in both. Getting? Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you everyone. Be safe in your home.